Good morning students. Now I am going to explain you about how to name the organic compound, and here we are taken this compound, and here we are having one COH group and double bond, and according to the rule number 4, rule number 4, if more than one functional group is present, then we have to consider the highest precedence should be present in the parent chain. That is here the COH group, another one in this compound, one double bond. Therefore COH group here and double bond is here. Therefore you are having the higher priority is for COH group. Therefore you have to give the minimum number for this highest priority group. Therefore here 1, 2, this one is 3, this one is 4. In this parent chain you are having the multiple bond as well as the COH group. So okay, if I name this side, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 4 membered ring. If I mention by the red line, that is also 4 membered ring, but it's not having the double bond. Therefore the functional group must be present in the parent chain. And this is the root word. Root word is having 4 membered ring, that is but. Therefore you have to name this compound as, this is the side chain here, and side chain is attached to the second carbon. Therefore 2, this is having 2 carbon, therefore 2-ethyl. In order to you have to mention the hyphen between the alphabets and the numerals. Okay, between the numerals and the alphabets you have to put hyphen. And next you have to write the parent chain is but, and therefore you have to write but. This ene, that is double bond, is present in the third position. Therefore you have to write 3-ene. Next one, this functional group, you have to mention the functional group. Therefore OIC acid. Okay, this 2-ethyl is a substituent, therefore it is a prefix. First we have to write the prefix, and then this but is the root word. This but is the root word, and then this ene is the primary suffix. And this OIC, it's the functional group, it is the secondary suffix. Therefore you have to mention first prefix, root word, primary suffix, another one secondary suffix. Okay, in this way we have to name this one. Similarly you have to name this compound. Here we are having aldehyde as well as COH group. COH group one functional group, another one aldehyde. Therefore 2 functional groups are present. Here which one is having higher priority? Here aldehyde is present in here. The COH group is here. Therefore COH group is having the higher priority. You have to number this carbon as minimum number, and therefore you have to name this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It should have a longest chain, and the longest chain should have the substituent. Okay, here this one is the substituent, this one is the substituent here. If I number this side means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore this carbon is having the highest number you are getting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seventh one is for the acid group. So you have to number this side. This one is the minimum number. The functional group is having the minimum number. Therefore you have to name this compound as 2. This is in second position, one aldehyde group is present and another one methyl group is present. Therefore you have to write 2 formyl. If aldehyde is present as a substituent means you have to write it as formyl. Okay, if aldehyde is present as the functional group means you have to name it as Al. You have to end it with the Al. Therefore 2 formyl, 2 methyl. Here it's a how many membered ring? Kept. Tanoic, Captain. Instead of E you have to write this acid, that is OIC acid. Okay, similarly you have to name this compound. Okay, here how many functional group? One is acid, another one alcohol. Therefore first priority goes to which one? First priority goes to acid, and then alcohol is here. Okay, therefore first one you have to mention the name here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, if I name this side means this one is having higher priority. Okay, 7 will become here. Therefore this one is the correct. If I number this side that is 1, 2, 3. It's a 3-member ring. This is the substituent. This one is wrong. This is the longest chain. You have to choose. This is the longest carbon chain. Here this one is the substituent, this one is the substituent, this one is also a substituent. Okay, then what we have to do, first you have to mention the prefix, that is substituent. Substituent is methyl group, another one hydroxy. Two different substituent are present according to, therefore you have to write according to the alphabetical order. Alphabetical order, hydroxy is first, therefore the 5 hydroxy is attached to the 5th carbon, therefore 5 hydroxy, 5 hydroxy, this one is 2. In 2 methyl groups are present, therefore you have to write 2, 2. In this way you have to write 2, 2 dimethyl. 2 methyl group is present in the second position. 2, 2 dimethyl. Then you have to write the parent word. Parent word is captanoic acid. Here this is COH group, therefore you have to mention it by captanoic acid. In this way you have to name this one.